In a concerted effort to tackle the growing drug menace in Meghalaya, the Office of the Mission Director of the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, DREAM, in collaboration with the All Faith Forum, organized a discussion at the State Convention Centre, Shillong, on the 20th of February 2025. The event saw the participation of Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdo as the chief guest, alongside the Mission Director of DREAM, Francis G. Kharshiyeng, Principal Secretary of the Social Welfare Department, Sampat Kumar, members of the All Faith Forum, representatives from Manbha Foundation and other key stakeholders. Speaking at the event, Paul Lingdo reaffirmed the state government's commitment to controlling drug trafficking and providing necessary support for those affected. He stressed that discussions must lead to concrete actions, as failing to do so would render the forums and the government's efforts meaningless.
In the saying that if you're not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. Some members have mentioned that we have been meeting repeatedly, but you have not seen any results. I say this is totally unfounded. This is totally baseless. We have done our bit, and I am confident that we are here not to score brownie points, not to say who has done more and who has done less. We are here with a sense of mission, and we are here to work as a team. When we work as a team, we are supposed to march to one single goal. Let us not, therefore, try to score brownie points, show the government as ineffectual, just talking, not doing. This is not true. We have invited you here in order to take this process and this mission forward, because we are truly committed to the cause of a drug-free Meghalaya. So if any of you is under the impression that we have only been talking, I would like to share what the government has done since our last meeting of faith leaders held last year. Number one, in the month of December, just less than a month back, we have constituted a dedicated team of the ANTF. All these years, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force has been doing multiple policing duties apart from drug reduction and dealing with crimes in drugs. Francis has just retired from service. He would vouch for this fact that all this while police officers and police constables and their juniors have been not only dealing with drugs, but attend to other duties, law and order, crime, attending to programs, VIP protection, etc., etc. Only last December, we constituted a dedicated ANTF team with a strength of around 40 persons that will deal solely with the issue of drugs. We have the Honorable Chief Minister inaugurated the unit. They have a police station of their own, and we have procured equipment for this group that will deal solely with the issue of drugs. This ANTF is being led by an officer of the rank of SP, with 2 additional SPs assisting him, and the entire team is roughly about 40 in terms of manpower. We have not talked. 2, in the last 1 year, Meghalaya has changed the course from implementing the NDPS, the outdated version of the NDPS, to what we call now as PITS NDPS, which also has provision for preventive detention of repeated offenders. In the past, this has not happened, which is why the general complaint is that the same person who is detained and arrested, you can again see the same guy a couple of weeks later. Already 4 persons have gone under preventive detention under PITS NDPS, and the term of custody ranges from 1 year to 3 years. We have done it. 3, community-based initiative. After our interaction with various stakeholders, and especially with the Dorbar Shillongs, one of the Dorbars has come forward to offer a plot of land, and there is the Meghalaya Town Dorbar, for which financial assistance has come from the government of Meghalaya through the DREAM mission. We have done it, we have not just talked about it.